Namaste. Self-assess your sexual health, or if you like, you can call it self-assess your sexual energy. The reason is, it's usually sexual energy which causes difficulties related to one's sexual well-being and so on. So take a look, hear these questions. I'll also put them in the descriptions so you can read them there. Keep a piece of paper and pen handy so you can write the answers and take a look again later if you like. This is a questionnaire both for women and men, but sometimes it might feel as if it's more for men, but I'll try and explain how it should be read for women as well. So question number 1, since when are you affected by ED, erectile dysfunction, or CD, clitoral dysfunction for women? Sometimes it's also called female sexual arousal syndrome. No, female sexual arousal dysfunction, FSAD. So see if you're affected by these. For men, how regular are your erections? Part B of the same question, do you experience regular morning erections, number of times a week or month? Third question, how long do they last when they happen, the erections? These are all for men. 5, do you use any kind of medication to induce erections and for intercourse? Again for men. 6, how often do you watch porn and indulge in masturbation? This can apply both to men and women. 7, when was the last time you had intercourse with medication or without medication? Again for both men and women. 8, how long does your lovemaking last before you ejaculate? Or in the case of women, they have other conditions, or they may not experience any kind of orgasm and so on. So that is the question for them. 9A, have you tried any medications etc. to help you last longer? Again, this does not apply to women because women usually don't need something to make them last longer, usually. Okay. B, did they help? If yes, how much? 10, have you experienced penile shrinkage when the penis begins to become smaller? This usually happens to men, or often happens to men in the middle ages, or when the quality of erections reduces, or when their sexual experiences or the number of times that they have sexual intercourse is less and so on. So as one's interest kind of goes down, penile shrinkage can also result. 10B, how long has it been affecting you? Penile shrinkage. 11, do you have diabetes or prostate related problems, and do they affect your sexual energy? This is again for men. A, how often do you need to relieve yourself at night? It's an indicator. If you need to get up and go again and again, it could be a sign that you have some prostate issues.